making industry. May purple, pink, and red candle. Kini hapit na yung mauga. Candle in the shell. Oh, nindot ha. Ma-run out basta na storm. Pwede dili naka maglampara sa una guys. Maglampara rami guys. Okay, ba mo maglampara. Magtuon gani kay wa electricity sunog yung buhok. Kini kay magsige may bagyo diri sa Florida pod. Maghimo tagdagang candle. Ni kung simba ta matutag birthday nato magdagkot ra tag isa ka buok. Say thank you Lord. Then your birthday make a wish. Okay, yeah, beautiful candle. I'm proud of my candle making industry. Charing. Thank you for watching. God bless us always. Lots of ideas in the brain.